Today we will derive the shape function for 1D bar element. See, we will consider 1D bar element in natural coordinate system, which is represented by zeta. So node number 1, node number 2. We know that zeta varies from -1 to +1. Now the displacement at any point within this element is given by the displacement at any point within the element is U is equal to N1 Q1 plus N2 Q2, where Q1 and Q2 are the nodal displacements and N1 and N2 are the shape function, where N1 is given by A0 plus A1 zeta and N2 is A2 plus A3 zeta. Now our aim is to find out the expression for N1 and N2. See, we know that at node 1, see, at node 1 N1 will be equal to 1 and zeta is -1. You can see here at node 1 zeta is -1 and N1 will be equal to 1, because according to the properties of shape function, the value of shape function will be equal to 1 at their corresponding nodes. So N1 corresponds to node 1, therefore the value of N1 will be equal to 1 at node 1. Now I will substitute this in this equation, that is N1 is equal to A0 plus A1 zeta. So it becomes 1 is equal to A0 minus A1. Next, at node 2 we have zeta is equal to 1. At node 2 zeta is 1 and N1 will be is equal to 0, because N1 corresponds to node 1. At node 1 the value of N1 is equal to 1, but at node 2 the value will be 0. This is because of the properties of shape function. That is, the value of shape function will be equal to 1 at their corresponding nodes and 0 at all other nodes. So if I substitute this value in this equation, I will get 0 is equal to A0 plus A1. Now I will take this equation as 1, this equation as 2. So if I solve equation 1 and 2, I will get the value of A0 and A1. By solving these two equations, we will get A0 is equal to half and A1 is equal to minus half. Now I will substitute A0 and A1 in this equation. See, we have N1 is equal to A0 plus A1 zeta. N1 is equal to A0 is half, A1 is minus half into zeta. Therefore N1 is equal to 1 minus zeta by 2. This is the shape function N1. N1 is equal to 1 minus zeta by 2. Next we need N2. So we have N2 is equal to A2 plus A3 zeta. Now we will apply the boundary condition. At node 1 zeta is -1 and N2 will be is equal to 0, because N2 corresponds to node 2. So value of N2 at node 1 will be 0. Similarly, Now I will substitute the value of zeta and n2 in this equation. I will get 0 is equal to a2 minus a3. Next, at node 2, zeta is 1 and the value of n2 will be 1 because n2 corresponds to node number 2. At corresponding nodes, the value of shape function will be equal to 1. Therefore, n2 is equal to 1. I will substitute zeta and n2 in this equation. I will get 1 is equal to a2 plus a3. I will take this equation as 3 and this equation as 4. Now, on solving equation 3 and 4, we get a2 is equal to half and a3 is equal to half. Now we will substitute a2 and a3 in this equation so that we will get n2 is equal to half plus half zeta. Therefore, n2 is 1 plus zeta by 2. So this is n2, 1 plus zeta by 2. Therefore, the shape function for 1D bar elements are n1 is equal to 1 minus zeta by 2 and n2 is equal to 1 plus zeta by 2. These two are the shape functions for 1D bar element. Next, we will draw the variation of shape function. Variation of shape function. See, we have the shape function n1 is equal to 1 minus zeta by 2. We will plot the variation of shape function n1 along the length of the element. See, this is the 1D bar element made up of two nodes. Node number 1, node number 2. Here zeta is minus 1. At node 2 zeta is plus 1. See here, if I substitute zeta is equal to minus 1 in this equation, I will get n1 is equal to 1. Here n1 is equal to 1. Next, at node 2, if I substitute zeta is equal to 1 in this equation, 1 minus 1, it becomes 0, it comes here. So this is the variation of shape function n1 along the length of the element. Next, we have the shape function n2 is equal to 1 plus zeta by 2. Again, we'll consider the 1D bar element. Node number 1, 2. Here zeta is minus 1. Here zeta is 1. Now if we substitute zeta is equal to minus 1 in this equation, we will get n2 0. Means at node number 1 the n2 is 0. At node number 2, if we substitute zeta is equal to 1 here, we will get 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. 2 by 2 it becomes 1. So at node 2 n2 is 1. At node 1 it is 0. So this is the variation of shape function n2 along the length of the element. Thank you.